Hi guys, just going to try one of those tongue twisters with lots of peas in it to see if pop filters work on the Samsung Galaxy. So we'll start off with no filters and we'll start recording now. So I'll switch to the audio from here so we can hear what it sounds like. No filters or no guards. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Foam filters. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. 3D printed filters. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. They were a bit tight. Now the fluffy dead cats. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So now we'll go and play it back and see if there's any difference. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.